Oh my god, I will never get tired of a blowout. Like every single time I do a blowout and I take out the pins, I'm just like, whoa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Nalani and I post lifestyle and music content here on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful, voluminous, luscious blowout. It is super easy and beginner friendly. This is my natural hair texture. It is very frizzy. I just dried it with a hair dryer, so it is a lot frizzier than it would be if I air dried it. We're going to turn this into this. The main thing that you need to achieve this look is a heated round brush. Mine is from Maine, but there are so many affordable options on Amazon, so I will link this one and the Amazon ones in my description box. Always start with a heat protectant. Today I'm using the Day Agave Dry Heat and Hold Styling Mist. This one is great for use on dry hair. I'm gonna generously spray this all over my hair. Okay, I didn't even know this was stuck on me. And brush it through. Also for this hairstyle, make sure that your hair doesn't have any tangles and it's brushed through really well so that the heated brush just goes through smoothly and you're not like breaking any hair. Now that the heat protectant is brushed through, I'm going to divide my hair into 3 sections. The first section is going to be under the ear, so I'm just going to separate that, clip it. What you're going to need is your round brush, and you're also going to need some pins. I use these metal pins. They're really sturdy and they hold the curl really well compared to any other pins I've tried. You can even use rollers if you want. I'm not going to use rollers for most of my hair for this blowout. I'm just going to use it just for my bangs because usually that's what I do. I've divided the bottom section into 2 sections, and then I'm going to divide each section into 2 more sections so that we have 4 sections for the bottom. But depending on your hair thickness and length and all of that, you can divide it however you feel like it's the best. First, I like just roughly brush it through and just smoothen the hair because it is pretty frizzy. Okay, the secret to smooth hair is tension. You're gonna grab your brush, you're gonna put the hair like that, you're gonna twist it a little bit so that the hair is nice and sturdy in there, and then pull, and that way you're pulling with tension. That's gonna give you a much smoother result. And then now we're gonna go on the other side. I'm gonna twist it a little bit and pull. And that's gonna give you that smooth and shiny result. So I'm gonna go do this in different direction multiple times just to really smoothen out my hair, and then I'm gonna do it in the direction that I actually want at the end. I feel like the hair is looking really nice and smooth right now, so we're gonna give it one final curl. For the bottom section, I want my rolls to be towards. So we're gonna go down like this, wrap it around, pull it with tension, get that really nice smoothness, and we're just gonna wrap it upwards like this. Take your pin it. That's nice and secure. It's okay if your blowout looks a little bit messy, it's fine, because first of all, I do have layers in my hair, so hair is gonna come out, but trust me, like by the end of it, once it has set and all of that and you take it out, it's gonna look so nice. Wrap with tension, roll it up, and pin it. The product that I forgot to use is this blowout styling mist from JVN. I really like this product. It just adds so much shine to my hair. I was supposed to apply the heat protectant and then apply this blowout styling mist and then go in with the styling. So we're gonna do that now. Just applying the product. This makes your hair really nice and shiny and it feels so soft. First section is done. Let's do the second section. I'm just gonna add more of the blowout milk. For the second section, we're gonna curl downwards. I take a front section like this, and I'm gonna first curl towards me. So just wrap it around, tension, and curl towards. And go again. This one. Okay, once we get to the top, twist it upwards and then pin it. And the reason why we're doing this is so that we get that little nice shape at the front. You wrap it towards, and then once you get to the top, you twist it. For the rest of my hair, we're just gonna curl it downwards and pin it downwards. We're not gonna do that twisting motion, just pin it downward. Finally, the top section, I'm gonna add a little bit of the blowout styling milk. Good 1 inch section like that. 1 inch from the side. And we're gonna roll this away from our face. But first, let's smooth it out. Make sure you're adding that tension, and at the end you want that bevel. You want to wrap it nice and tight and as close to the scalp. You really get that volume. Pin it. Perfect. For this section, I'm gonna just divide it again into a half. This is gonna be my bangs, and this is also gonna go backwards like that. Roll, pin nice and tight. For this final section, we're actually gonna curl towards our face. I'm gonna take the small roller and put my hair through like that and roll it towards my face, pulling the hair upwards so that it gets really nice and close to the scalp so we have that volume right there. And then we're gonna pin it and you are done. This is the hard arm workout part. I honestly feel like a round brush is so much easier than a blow dryer with a round brush because you gotta hold two things, and it's honestly such an arm workout. That's why I love using a heated round brush, and the results are too good. Once you're done pinning, we have to seal it with some hairspray so all your hard work lasts. I really love the L'Oreal Elnet spray. I've been using it for so many years. This one's unscented, which is awesome. I feel like anybody can use this. I'm just gonna go everywhere with this. I'm just gonna let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can let it sit for 30 minutes or an hour if you want. So yeah, I'll be back. It's been about 15 minutes, so let's take all these pins out. Just gonna twist this out. I'm just gonna flip my hair. Okay, let's see the result. Oh my god, the hair is shining, it's bouncy, it's voluminous. I love it. And that is how you create a voluminous and beautiful blowout right at home. Click like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.